Hello friends. Welcome back to another video. Today we will share with you 7 survival gadgets on Amazon you must buy in 2023. Stay Safe Fire Extinguisher. Eliminate fires in seconds with the Stay Safe 5-in-1 Fire Extinguisher. Compact, lightweight recyclable plastic aerosol fire extinguisher and a more practical solution compared to traditional metal canisters. Extinguishes 5 different types of fire: electrical, cooking oil, textiles, petrol/diesel and paper/card. Quick to deploy and tackle fire wherever you are, at home, in the kitchen, in the car, caravan, camper van or camping. Non-toxic, environmentally friendly, fluid, safe for the user and the environment. Multi-tool axe. This multi-tool in a beautiful premium package is a special gift for your loved ones who enjoys exploration, camping, hunting, hiking, home improvement, carpentry and other DIY, which is a perfect gift for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Dad birthday. Multi-tool axe and hammer is made with premium functional accessories material 3CR13 martensitic steel. Axe head and hammer head material is 420 stainless steel. Handle material is aluminum alloy, high strength, high toughness, corrosion resistance. So it can cut wood, break glass, and help you survive any emergency situation. Paracord survival bracelet. Each bracelet consists of a flint and steel fire starter, loud 100 dB whistle, basic compass, mini saw and waterproof military-grade paracord. This tactical first aid bracelet fits to wrists measuring 9.5 foot or 17 to 24 centimeters, up to 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters, of waterproof 7-core paracord can be used to create a shelter, trap, raft, stop bleeding, serve as tinder to start a fire, create a clothesline to dry your wet garments, splint your injured leg against a branch or carry heavy objects. Up to 550 pounds or 250 kilograms. COVACURE camping hammock. COVACURE hammock constructed of high tenacity and breathable 210T parachute nylon. It's the strongest and most lightweight fabric. Our hammock size, 290 by 140 centimeters, enough to hold over 2 person, which offers you a spacious lounging and comfortable sleeping. Safely support up to 772 kilograms, 350 pounds. All in one set. Just take less than 3 minutes to set it up. Our outdoor hammock can be folded into the attached pocket, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Our practical camping hammocks offer a comfortable, useful, money-saving alternative if you want to get really adventurous. Long-range searchlight. The rechargeable torch helps you to see deeper and further into the darkness. It adopts XHP series lamp beads to provide super bright light, and the ultra-long lighting range of up to 1,000 meters. It has a 9,000 max lumen output, giving you ultra brightness to see clearer and further in the darkness. Light up your way forward. The bright high-power flashlight allows you to easily illuminate your space with 4 lighting modes: low, medium, high and strobe. It is easy to carry and equipped with a tripod. The adjustable tripod can attach at the bottom of the light for supporting the light to free your hands. This portable spotlight as a safety device can provide you with both a handy light. It is a good companion for you to go out. This super bright torch is perfect for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, hunting, exploring, night fishing and more. If you receive a defective or short-lived searchlight of poor quality, please contact us immediately, and we will refund you or replace it with a new one, depending on the situation. Blanket for hiking, an essential part of any survival kit. Hypothermia is first and foremost the most serious danger in any survival situation. Small and light enough to be thrown in any bag, the Life Systems thermal blanket may save your life in an emergency survival scenario. Stow it in your backpack or even the glove compartment of your car. With the bright orange outer and silver inner, this blanket can also be used to attract attention from rescue teams to your position. Remember, the ultimate goal of any survival situation is to get home safely. Emergency food. The Wise Foods 120 serving entree only grab and go bucket is perfect for daily use and unplanned emergencies. To preserve freshness and great taste, our ready-made meals are packed in airtight, nitrogen-flushed mylar pouches, and then sealed in easy-to-carry and easy-to-stack durable plastic containers. Wise, grab-and-go food kits carry a shelf life of up to 25 years. This makes for worry-free storage without having a need for rotation. 120 servings entree assortment, no breakfast items. Thanks for watching. All products purchased link on description. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel now. And which countries and cities are you watching from? Please leave a comment below.